Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about YCK reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this site, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch the video till the end to find out how to get your money back. So guys, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any point. So first of all, we'll talk about the website type and the products they offer. So this is an online shopping store which deals with jewelries and they offer sunglasses, trendy clothes, shoes and many more. And they offer jewelries like earrings, necklaces, rings and many more. So guys, if you're interested in checking out these products, you have to visit their official site. So next we'll check the other details of this website. So first we'll check their payment method. So here they've given it in the main homepage, or you can go to the separate page section as well. So they've given the options, and this website accepts Visa, MasterCard, PayPal and many more. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here they've only given the processing timing, and the processing timing takes 24 to 48 hours. And they use the method of DHL, EMS, UPS, FedEx and UPS. Now guys, if you want to know about the shipping timing, for that you have to go to the About Us page section, and here they've given it. So they have mentioned that all goods are delivered worldwide within 3 to 8 days. So you can check this out. So guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors, with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And about the domain information, this website was registered on 29 of November 2021 and it will expire on 29 of November 2022, which means this website is very new and hence it can't be trusted. Now let's check their About Us details. So guys, when it comes to their About Us details, this website hasn't mentioned anything about their business establishment here or about their founder identity. So this is the negative sign. Now we're going to check the contact details. So here also, as you can see, in the contact page section, they haven't given their contact information. And we have also checked in other places as well. So this website hasn't given their contact information anywhere. So this is a drawback of this website. So next we'll talk about the social media presence of the site. So guys, we have checked and we have found out that this website does not have any social media presence at all. So this is also a negative sign. So next we're going to check the return and refund policy. So guys, about the return, they have mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to contact the customer service team within 3 days. And about the refund, here they've given that once the refund is processed, it usually takes around 2 to 4 weeks for the amount to show on your account. So you can check this out. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now guys, talking about the YCK reviews, there are no customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score of the site is only 1% and the business trust ranking is 0.7%, which is very low and bad. Also, the content quality seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the YCK reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is very new. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their contact information and the trust score is very low. So it seems like a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.